Did you know that it can rain fishes in some places in the world? Fish rain is a natural phenomenon that had just recently occurred in Iran. It is a rare event that only occurs if certain requirements are met. First, tornadoes or waterspouts must appear at a body of water in order to suck the fish into the sky. Then the strong winds of the storm must guide and carry the fish away, which can be as far as 200 miles away, as seen in the instance of Lajamanu, Australia. What a trip that must have been. Anyways, as the storm dies down, wherever it may be, the winds subside, causing fish to fall out of the sky, like in the movie Sharknado. This phenomenon has reports of occurring in places like Honduras, India, Iran, Australia, and even the United States. With occurrences like this, we can only admire Mother Nature's complexity and hope to understand it one day. And it begs the question of what is really possible and impossible.